My dear friends, my dear students, let us start very important and easiest problem today. So I am going to take a problem from linear differential equation with the variable coefficients. Okay, very easiest and smallest problem, important problem. So before we are going to proceed, kindly subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends. Okay, and give a like symbol. X squared d squared y by dx squared plus 4x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sine of log x. So this is called a linear differential equation with the variable coefficients. Okay, so this is a type. So in this type we have modified d squared y by dx squared into d squared, capital D squared, and then plus 4x d plus 2 of y equal to sine of log x. Okay, what about I'm going to do some assumptions. X is equal to e power z and z equal to log x. So please remember, in this model we have to take x is equal to e power z and z equal to log x. And also we have to take x into d is equal to d dash or theta, whatever may be. Okay, we can replace by here d dash. And then x squared d squared will be d dash into d dash minus 1. Okay, these are the assumptions we are going to apply in this model. Okay. Next, so the equation becomes d dash into d dash minus 1 plus 4d dash plus 2 is equal to sine z. And then simplify, we will get d dash squared plus 3d dash plus 2 of y equal to sine z. So this is a required differential equation, isn't it? So I'm going to write the auxiliary equation. D dash is replaced by m squared, and then second term will be 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So why we are taking auxiliary equation, we have to calculate or find the value of m, isn't it? So the value of m is minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so if you factorize the second order equation, you will get minus 1 and minus 2. So therefore the required CF complementary function is equal to a into e power minus z, m1 is it, isn't it? M1 is replaced by minus 1. What about b into e power m2 is it? M2 is minus 2, so minus 2 is it. So next one, so the required CF is equal to a into e power minus z plus b into e power minus 2z. So I can take minus outside. So a into e power z whole power minus 1 plus b into e power z minus 2 whole power minus 2, isn't it? So what about e power z? So x is x power minus 1 plus b into e power x power minus 2, isn't it? Okay, what does it mean? We have to again convert the z into x, isn't it? So that is the required complementary function, and then general solution needed. Okay, therefore CF is equal to a by x plus b by x squared. Okay, if you keep z, that is not a correct answer. Okay, you must convert x z term into x term. Now go to particular integral 1 by d dash squared plus 4 d dash, sorry, 3 d dash plus 2 sine z. Okay, I'm going to apply the sine and cos rule, isn't it? Okay, in this model, sine of a is it, sine a is it, so each and every d dash squared is replaced by minus 1 square, minus 1 square, isn't it? So it means minus 1. Okay, so simplify minus 1 plus 3 d dash plus 2 sine z. Okay, so simplify 1 by d 3 d dash plus 1 sine z. So our aim to eliminate the denominator, it will become a constant term. Okay, the only one thing is we have to multiply and divide by conjugate of the denominator, so that, so 3d dash plus 1, its conjugate 3d dash minus 1, so multiply and divide, so it becomes 3d dash minus 1 of sine z divided by, so a plus b into a minus b, so a squared 9d dash squared minus 1. So now again we have d dash squared is replaced by the same rule, it is minus 1. Okay, so the numerator 3d dash of sine z minus sine z divided by 9 minus 1, that is minus 10, isn't it? So we are going to differentiate that sine z. D dash represent one time differentiate. So sine will become cos z. Okay, the particular integral minus 1 by 10, 3 cos z minus sine z. So there are two things. There are two parts for the general solution. One is complementary function, another one particular integral. We have to add these two equations, two terms, sorry. One a by x plus b by x squared minus 1 by 3 cos z minus sine z. So this is the general solution. But the second term have z. We have to convert again the x terms, so that the required general solution is y is equal to a by x plus b by x square minus 1 by 10 3 cos. What about z? Log x minus sin log x. Okay, thank you my dear friends. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the chat box. Thank you.